guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see something new. So wait, hold on, did you just see the name of the tool? Everything you know about this pricing tool just changed. Say hello to PolymagicPrice. So the whole name was fine, but the tool does so much more. I had to change it. It's not just a calculator anymore, it's now running a business more efficient. Here is a breakdown about the name. It's more versatile. Poly means handles multiple currencies and platform instantly. Second, it's more smart. The magic. Check out how the smooth new design is. I'm curious, the PolymagicPrice. What comes to your mind? Drop your comment below. I'm willing to read your comments. So welcome to this masterclass. This is the big update, PolymagicPrice version 1.3. So this is just isn't feature tool. Over the next 30 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to use this professional grade tool to automate your pricing, manage your physical inventory, and scale your operations. We will go into deep into the back logic, how the app handles the data, and I will give you the business consideration you need to stay profitable. If you're ready to stop guessing and start knowing, let's get started. Look at the shelf right now. How many mystery spools do you have? Maybe 50 grams left? I call this ghost inventory. And it is silently killing your margins. This is where version 1.3 comes. The material management, where you can add your filaments inventory over there. So go to material. So over here down you have already listed out so many materials are there. So just click material, whichever you want to stock. So just click on that material. So here you will see the add spool. So just click the add spool. So I already have 2 spools. Let me add another one. ABS. So I will add yellow. Just select your color. So yellow. So how many spools you want to add, how many kgs of each spools are there, you can do it. It will calculate automatically everything. So imagine just I have 5 spools of 1 kg. So it will going to see how many I have. So this is a very good thing you will going to use for your business. And also it very important to see here. We can see here we are getting some. Here we can see that there are so many warnings are there that your filaments having low stocks. So this is the one of the good thing that you will get to know which material is less. And this is the best feature you will going to get for your business or improve your efficiency. So let's move to the next, the machine. So here there is not much updates, but there was some comments and requests from the users. They are trying to understand the hourly cost, what it means. So for that I just helping out here that I have put one icon of help. Just put your cursor over there and you will see one dialog box which will explains. So here is the biggest trap that people fails to get to know hourly cost. They put most of them 0, but they think I'm already paying the electricity. But that is a mistake. This field is actually maintenance and depreciations of your machine. You should use what I call the golden formula. Take your printer purchase, add the cost of lifetime parts and divide that by the total expected working hours. So please make sure use this help icon and enter this value, and this will matters a lot for the pricing also. Now the power consumption. Power consumption is the standard electricity usage by your printer, which this number you can find easily at your back of your printer label, which means the power consumption by the printer. Now you know exactly how much filament cost to you, but you don't have any clue for the paint job, right? I noticed that most of business also doing painting for the 3D parts. So they have the challenging how to calculate and quote right price for the painting for that part. So here I'm going to solve your headache. So come to consumer. Down here you can see I have pre-added 4 paints type. One is acrylic, spray primer, clear coat varnish, and enamel paint. So over here you can see I have put it standard values, but you can edit those also. Like just click over here, but But now we have a section called the post-processing beta. This is new feature for the paint job. It's worked like a charm. If you know the secret formula, so where you can find first of all, so just go back, come down here, include the painting, just click on this enable paint. So this is where the paint job will be going to work. So back to the settings, consumable here. So you can see the values. I have put two types of values here. The one is a material cost, then second is in the description, that is a usage rate. Before you enter anything, you have to understand what these values represent. Like you type spray primer of 0.08 dollar per ml. So this is the material cost per ml. Then the crucial part is the usage rate. So usage rate basically the system is telling you, hey, this paint costs 8 cents an ml and I am roughly using 0.03 ml per every square centimeter for this model. So it takes the surface area of your 3mf file. So this is one of the good things. You don't have to calculate your surface area. You have to just upload your 3mf file and it will automatically calculate the surface area, and in the formula it will calculate for the paint how much it will going to consume. And it calculates the exact cost of the paint for that specific model. And I'm curious though, how many actually measures your paint usage also, or do you just charge flat fee? So let me know in the comment, because I used to just charge $5 and hope for the best. So we will going to see in more details, but this is the values which you have to enter here in detail. You have to enter the usage same way what I have mentioned. If you change it, so it will not going to calculate it. So just keep this format and just change the value only. Now let's move the customer. So moving to customer, this is totally new feature which I have added for you. It's just like a digital phone book of your customers. So you can see that you can add your customers below. You can see the list of customers. So this is which I already added. So you can see here you can just add the name, company, email, phone number, address, tags. Tags means like how you want to tag that this customer. It's a retail customer, local, VIP, and you can add some specific notes first. So you can see in the below list. So your name, the client's name, their company, everything will be mentioned. Also, how many orders total we have delivered to them. You can see everything. You can add it here also. Just edit whatever you want to edit. And also you can select this customer in the calculator, so everything will be showcased in the invoice. Now let's move to the next, the company. Over here, for this is about your company, because when you generate your invoice here, so in invoice you will see your company info over there. So just add your company info over here, company name, email address, phone number, website, tax ID, business address. Also, the best part, company logo. You can add your company logo also and your footer note. So just save your settings. So it will save your settings. That's it. So whenever you generate the invoice from this tool, so it will showcase the company name as well as the customer details in the invoice. So this is very good part for you. Next, we will move to the employee. So this is one of the good part which I have added for this tool. That imagine you have so many employees working in your business, and you have so many jobs for the orders, and you have to assign individual for each employees. So this is where you will get help, because you don't know which order is going to which employee, which is handling this order. So it's very tricky to track them down. So this is very good thing. So just add your employee or whatever they are working for which position. So add their name, job position, email, contact number. So just add your employee. So over here you can see the employee details. So in the calculator back, they will going to see. So you can select which employee need to handle this order. They can handle this order. So this is all about the new features available in the settings. Okay. So this is the good part which will be going to be very useful for your business. So now you have done all the settings updated. Now let's move to the text calculator. So here you will see so many updates also. So first let's me upload the file. So I will upload the file. Here you have to upload the G-code first. So you can see the project name is already fetched from the file. Now in the client, here I have already saved the client. You can see in the drop down list that the client is there, so I have to just select the client. Okay, this order is for this client. If it is for new client, just create a new client, say John. So this is where your new client is added, but you have to go back in the settings and change add the details more in depth for the client over here. So this is a very interesting part here. So here it automatically detected PLA. Now the color. So we have red available because we have added red inventory only for the PLA material. So we have 1000 gram means 1 kg we have in the stock. So just click. Did you notice one thing in the below? It uses 8 gram, means the part will going to use 8 grams the filament, and it will going to subtract that 8 gram from the total. So here this is how it automatically works. The more it going to use your filament, it will going to update automatically the inventory. So there will be subtraction. If you upload more and more parts here, then it will consume the filament. So it will going to subtract from the inventory also. So this is totally automatic. And as we seen before, if you have the inventory low, it will show warning low inventory for that filament. So this is how you will manage. So this is very good thing. You don't have to see okay how much we have left. So whenever you are doing new parts, it will automatically subtract. So you can see 8 gram will be used and 992 gram will be remaining. So this is very good feature for you. Next, we already have this feature. The bamboo is already selected. So consumer will skip. We are going to skip this thing. We already seen this all things in detail in previous video, but here next. So this is why we have so much headache in business. The order priority, because we have so many customers, clients which need urgent requirements. But how the employee or how you would know that this is high priority? So here I have given 3 priority: low, medium and high. So if you think that this is very high priority for the customer order, then just click high priority, and then we have the due date. If client already give you the due date when they wanted this order to be ready, then you can just select the date. So just you select the date. So this is how you will get to know and notify every step of this order. So it's very easy to manage your business. So for high order priority, you can charge more for the customer. So you're making more profit now. So next we have the assigned employee. We have just seen that we have added employee who are working in our down floors. So we have John, who is 3D printer operator. So I will assign this order to this John employee. So I just click. Now we have discussed the paint. So this is a beta feature for the paint. So it's called the post-processing beta feature. And just come down, include the painting job. So just enable this feature. So here you have to upload the 3MF file, not the G-code file, to calculate the surface area. This is one of the important parts. So you have to upload only 3MF file to calculate the surface area. So this is more accurately calculated surface area. I have tested with multiple models. It give me more accurately. So this is the surface area for this part. Now imagine you have to do so many layers, so many things, coatings are there. So first I will do the primer, spray primer. I will use the spray primer. So it automatically got the details. And here is the coating list. How many coatings you want to do? Imagine you have to do 2, 1 for more smoothness. Imagine I have to do 2 coatings. It will going to calculate according to that. Then you have done primer. Then you have to do some clear coating, maybe acrylic paint. So just I want to do acrylic paint. I will select the acrylic paint. Then how many coatings? I will say only 1. And how much it will going to take time for this all both steps? I would say 1 hour. So just 1 hour. Now calculate. So you can see the paint is also calculated. So everything is red. So you have seen so many good features now available. So now just save the code. Now see here in down, you can see the client name, the type of printer, status. So this is one of the good parts you will going to see now in the order management. Before that, you can see the priority also. Here, this order is very high priority and it's due date at 1:30. So everything is tracking down very easily. You will not going to lose your customer, no money. You will not going to lose your money. You are just making your more and more profit. So this is all you will going to see in the save code. But here is the next magic thing or the magic feature, manage orders. Come here. So here you will manage your all orders in each steps. I have to go back, I have to create more orders so I can give you the more in-depth example. Let me upload, save, file. I will keep it as it is, employee, it is down only. I will keep it low, calculate. Now I will save the code. So you can see here. Okay, let me, okay, so now let's go to manage orders. Come to manage order. Now you can see I have two orders differently. One is low priority, one is high priority. So here the priority orders will be in the topmost always, and the low priority will be the bottom, and the medium will be the middle. You can see that who is responsible for this job also. Now you can see it's now current at pending, but I just approved this order. Okay, it needs to go to production now. So I approved. So this order will go to production. Now John has just started the printing. So I will click on printing. So it's in printing right now. So if it is in post processing, then it will be post processing. Then dispatch is there. So dispatch. And lastly, clients received or delivered, just click deliver. Now you can see it just completed the process and it's come down. Now this is order running. So see. So you can just check each step and track all the steps which is happening for this order. So it's very easy to manage your order and you can work as per the priority of the order. Just go back. You can see here status. So this is one good thing. So whenever you come back, you can see the status of that order. So this one, this dispatch, this is already delivered. So this is the best part for this manage orders. Hope that you going to like this feature. I am looking for your feedback for this feature. So now let's see the quotation that we have added customers information, company information. So how the PDF you will going to export from this tool, how it will going to look. So just calculate a code and export as a PDF. So you can see here. So you can see here logo is there, your company name, your address, tax details, invoice number, everything is there. So right now status is pending. So whatever the status is there, it will going to say everything will be there, invoice date, inventory, everything. But there will be some more improvement will be going to come soon. But so this is how you can do it. The client info is not there, so let me add the client info. Let me select client, calculate code here. So here you can see that my company info is there, the customer details are there, the date of delivery view and everything is there. So the cost is calculated. So this is how the invoice export PDF will going to look. So soon there will be more updates on this part. Also you can see that I have updated the license. GNU AGPL version 3 licenses now under this tool are developed. So you can go and read all the details. It's open source. And for security and privacy concerns, so this is totally secured tool. No data is stored on external server or neither this tool collect your data. So this is totally stored at your local web browser. And this is very safe to use. All privacy is there. This is best tool for your corporate or a company. There is no privacy concerns for this tool. So finally we have covered all the features. So we have covered lots of today about these all new features of PolymagicPrice version 1.3. For your machines, depreciation formula to tie inventory deduction logic, you have now the tool to run data-driven 3D printing business. Before you go, run through your final thoughts, checklist. So this tool, PolymagicPrice, is designed to empower your growth, your business, your profit. So just start using this tool, get your site settings dialed in and start quoting with confidence that every cent is accounted for this. Do you think this new update will change how you price your prints Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for joining this masterclass. Now go build something and make your profit. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.